Both hand, swing to left. Drop stance, both hand on floor, and swing your right feet. Circle, full speed. Action. Tutorial Tiger Kung Fu. First three movements almost is my favorite. The first one, straight punch. So power deliver from your shoulder and to all the way right here. It's the simplest basics of Kung Fu, straight punch, but very useful. And the second one, zoom. The double one, having defense movements to protect your face or attack to anywhere your opponents. Circle pump. 1 and 2. Small circle. Can be blocked when people punch. Sure, right. Using all power right here. Outside field pump. Attack. Punch. Quick comeback. And double punch. Attack the upper and the lower part. Drop. With this part. It's called blocking or lockdown. The back sweep kick is most useful movement, especially when the timing your opponent attack you by straight kick, and you can using the back sweep kick to sweep the single leg he studied. Tiger Spirit.
The tiger, also known as the king of the jungle, is a majestic creature that is admired and feared in equal measure. Its spirit embodies strength, power, and courage. Throughout history, the tiger has been revered as a symbol of vitality and tenacity. In many cultures, the tiger represents the spirit of the warrior, inspiring individuals to fight for what they believe in and to face challenges head-on. The tiger also symbolizes determination and resilience. Despite facing numerous threats to their existence, reminder to all of us to embrace our own inner strength and to face life's challenges with confidence and determination.
Up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah.
Hi my friend, hope you like the tutorial of Tiger Kung Fu today. So for Chinese martial arts always have two parts, the technique part and also the real application. And many people will ask why we're training the Taolu, the form, what that use, how to use to attack or defend ourselves. So the first thing you have to understand, so each movement in your form, Kung Fu form, is prepared to use for defense yourself. This is involved and developing a strong foundation in basics of your footwork, your hand technique, your stances, your jumping kicks. So once you have very solid grounding, fundamental in your basics, and then you can start to work with your partners to practice the real application, and that is the time you facing to the real world. Alright my friend, if you found out this video is helpful, please subscribe our channel and hit the bell button. So I see you in next video. Bye bye.